I'm Kendrick A. Levine, and I'm going to show you some of the advanced features of the TRID database, such as exporting and sharing your search, as well as saving and marking records and emailing them to yourself for later. So there are a couple different ways you can export your search. One that's very prominent is the RSS feed. If you click on this, we'll open it in a new tab. It will give you a preview of the RSS feed in many browsers, such as I'm using Firefox, but this will work with Internet Explorer as well. And right now it's asking me to subscribe to the feed if I want to use Google or Live Bookmarks. I'm going to use Google, subscribe now, and it'll take me to a page where it's going to give me the choice between my homepage or Google Reader. I like to use Google Reader, so it'll go there. Give it some time to load, and you get to see my messy Google Reader homepage. It's telling me I'm not subscribed to this feed, so let's do it. And there, every time a record comes in for TRID with traffic cones, I'm going to be notified. This is one way to stay on top by having a canned search going through TRID. And so I don't have to go in and search for traffic cones every week. It'll just come directly into my Google Reader. Another way you can share the search is by using the share widget. It'll pop open and you can either share it with Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, Google, so upon, or there are many other services. I'm going to tweet this. So here are my search results, and this link is going to take you to the page with those results. So I'll tweet that, and that's good to go. Another thing you can do is you can subscribe to this with the subscribe widget. And this is just another way to add it to Google, or if you use Bloglines or NetVibes or PageFlix, which are some other popular RSS readers. Or if you use services like My Yahoo, AOL, or MSN. So that's some of the ways you can export your search and keep it going. Another thing you can do is you can mark records and save them by either downloading a file, emailing it to yourself, or printing them off. To mark the records, all you have to do is click in these boxes. If you want to highlight them all, click them all. If you want to clear them all, you can do it here or at the top of the page. We'll just save a few. You can also mark it by previewing the abstract. If you like what it says, just say mark this record. You can also mark records in the results itself with this link at the top. If you want to view all of your marked records, you can either click the view button at the top or click the link that says for marked records. So right now I'm looking at all of my records right here. If I want to email them, I can click email, or if I want to save them as a file, I can click save, or print does the same thing. I'm going to email them to myself. You can use the citation, which is just a line that has the citation as you would find it perhaps in a paper. RAS has all of the metadata necessary for a lot of the citation management programs like RoughWorks or Zotero, or HTML, which will give you the HTML version of the whole record. I'll use that so all the links will work. So to type it in, you want to type in your name and your email address, and you can send yourself a copy. If you want to send yourself this, that works if you're going to send it to somebody else. Even if you want to send it yourself the record, or the records, you're going to have to enter your email twice. Otherwise, it's not going to send anyone. And a lot of times, it's good to make a note of what the search is. So here, I'm just putting traffic cones, so I know what's going to happen. And then, we'll send the email. And that's it. So you should wait for it in your inbox. And that is a quick way of getting started with some of the advanced features in TRID.